Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com, where we will be discussing question. Which of the following best describes Frederick Jackson Turner's frontier disease? Option A. The frontier is a scarce land that should be developed in a sustainable way. Option B. The frontier is an endless open land that is ready to be developed for profit. Option C. The frontier caused Americans to settle too far apart to develop a sense of unity as a nation. Option D. The frontier developed American democracy by blending wilderness and European tradition. The correct answer of the question. Option D. Frontier developed American democracy by blending wilderness and European tradition. Frederick Jackson Turner's Frontier thesis, presented in 1893, argued that the American frontier experience was central to shaping the unique characteristics of American society and democracy. Turner believed that the interaction with the frontier, which he described as the meeting point between the wilderness and European traditions, played a crucial role in fostering individualism, self-reliance, and democracy in the American population. Therefore, option D best describes Turner's frontier disease. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.